do it. Don't delete. I'm not gonna be a Heinz 57 ketchup now. It's showtime. I should make a mount for my car, put the camera up here on those dashboards. I don't have a 3D printer. And if I had a 3D printer, I'd be doing something for one of my things. And yeah, maybe one day I'll grab a 3D printer to do that. Oh man, we're getting dominoes. Oh yeah. When you got a truck blocking, do you go fast past the turn? I'm gonna go back to old school. Get a piece of wood. I think a piece of wood may help me. But I don't have the things I have to chisel and design. Maybe I do. I know how to do things a little differently than others. I'm heading out. I'm running out of barbecue gas, propane. Need to refill. Yeah, probably do it one more time, midsummer. Now, I'm thinking again, like getting to Amazon. I gotta get my alternator, pick the one that's reasonable. There's gonna be a new one. And yeah, I'm gonna go pull it out, take my time doing it. Maybe I'll do a how-to, like 1,000,001 duct tape. What's gas buy you? Did gas go up? Did it go down? $3.13. The station by me went up. Well, we're pulling in. Gonna go get gas. Probably have to wait for it till somebody comes on out. Look at that, no exchange. You gotta pay $67.98. That means you don't get anything. I got my propane. Yeah, like I said, that's what I paid. No exchange. And now we're ready to get on out of here and go have some fun. I don't know if the fun you're gonna be seeing anymore. Oh yeah, don't you just love it when you ride over bumps? They're called sleeping policemen. So we'll continue on with this vlog. I just, threw some stuff out, and yeah, I got no use for it anymore, and I'm like consolidated my inventory, because everything was like POS. JUNK. And I'm not talking about stuff. I'm talking about something that didn't show online. Or what could it be? Yeah. I gotta get going. Well, I didn't know the stop was after that white line. Oh man. Do I see red in the sky? Like a sunrise? Nice and early? Oh man, it was like rain after rain, foul after foul. So I'm sitting here, I'm gonna wait just a few. I'm gonna head on out and let you know how it was. Out of here! I'm out of here. The show is over. I'm practicing. It's showtime. See ya. See ya. See ya on the next one. That's all, folks. That is all, folks. That's all, folks. See ya. I'll see you on the next one. We'll see you on the next one. What? You still recording?